Hello Aries, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you and your person. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you are dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And yes, please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. Okay, so let's get started, Aries. Yeah, so let's get started. What's there for Aries? So what's there on your side, Aries? Okay, so we have the Three of Pentacles on your side. Let's see what's there on your person's side. The Temperance, okay. The most likely outcome. The Chariot, okay. So, as far as these three cards are concerned, with the Three of Pentacles, here you are discussing I think regarding your person or regarding this relationship with your loved ones or your friends, your family, whosoever it is. Okay, so you are definitely discussing or maybe taking their point of view. Maybe you want to take a decision. That is why you are discussing with them. But yes, you are discussing with your friends and family over here, or whosoever your trustworthy people are. And here on your person's side, we have the Temperance. So this person is trying to balance the situation. They are also trying to sort out things at their own end, and definitely this person is moderating or uh, trying to bring a balance to the situation. But this person is also testing the waters. Okay, this person is also being a little bit cautious as to how this relationship would move ahead. Either that or how to approach you. It can be anything. We'll see that in the clarifiers if it comes up, if it is really a strong message. Otherwise, yes, this person is definitely trying to balance. And here with the Chariot as the most likely outcome is obviously things back in control, rapid action, things moving pretty fast in this scenario, in this relationship. Okay, so let's see why is this Three of Pentacles here for Aries. Okay, so we have, wow, the Wheel of Fortune or the Ten of Wheels, the Emperor, the Nine of Cups. Okay, okay, the Two of Wands and the Star. Okay, okay, so let's see why is this Temperance here for on your person's side. Let's see why is this Temperance here for your person's side. Okay, so we have the Three of Swords over here. Three of Swords, the Three of Cups. Okay, the Hierophant, the Page of Pentacles, the Four of Cups. So let's see why is this Chariot here for the most likely outcome. Why is this Chariot here for the most likely outcome? Okay, so we have the Six of Cups, the Nine of Pentacles, the Eight of Pentacles, the Page of Swords, the Four of Swords, Queen of Swords, the Queen of Wands. Okay, okay, so we have the World also. Okay, so as far as this Three of Pentacles is concerned, for that we have the Ten of Wheels, the Emperor, the Nine of Cups, the Two of Wands, and the Star. See, what I feel here is that why are you discussing is the reason. The reason for that is because though the things were pretty good, initially things were balanced, everything was fine, but what I feel here is that something has happened over here. That has tipped the balance of this relationship. Okay, so definitely something has happened which has tipped the balance of this relationship. And here with the Emperor, what I feel is it's on your side, so maybe that's you, that something has happened which you really didn't like. Okay, see, it can be the mix of energies also, you take it as it resonates, but somebody over here is very like they're just looking at it. So what's happened? It's like this person is just in awe of how can this happen, what has happened. It's something like that, and this person is just looking at you. Okay, how come this can happen? How come you can do this to them? It's something like that. It's something, maybe this person is surprised at something, but maybe they have come to know about something. But definitely the balance of this relationship, which was going pretty fine, has to some extent tipped, and this person is the Emperor, and this person is in, the word which I'm getting here is that he's a person who is, he or she is the person who is strict, dominating. They have their own values, they have their own things. They won't settle for each and everything, and they won't take any shit as such. Okay, so something has happened. Whosoever has done, I don't know, but the problem here is that the person whosoever has done the shit, I don't know who has done what, but something has happened in this relationship because of which all the happiness has just scattered and spilled over. Okay, so the things are not the same as before, and somebody here with the Two of Wands is definitely waiting for the other person, and they view this person as the wish fulfillment. They really want these wishes to come true. This person really honestly wishes that this person should come back to them. It's something like that. Okay, so maybe what the vibe which I'm getting here is that as if some truth was disclosed, type of a vibe, which that is what I'm getting. Okay, maybe you had hidden something, maybe there was some secret information, something was there, because here we have the Three of Pentacles. Now this Three of Pentacles can actually be a third party relationship also. Okay, it can be that also, and we have many threes on this side. So that is one reason that this can be this can be one of the reasons. There may be other reasons, but definitely because here it's something talking in secret. So maybe this person is discussing, or maybe something has happened over here which was being done secretly, and now this person has come to know about it. Okay, somebody here has come to know about it. So what I am getting here is that the balance of the relationship has tipped towards something which is not very positive. Okay, and because of whatever has happened in this scenario, the balance of the relationship has just tipped. The balance, the happiness is all scattered, and here somebody is waiting for the other person to come back, earnestly waiting for other person to come back. And maybe if it is discussing, maybe this is what you are discussing as to what should I do, what should be my next move, sort of a thing, because somebody here is definitely waiting. Okay, but this person is just not taking any action. That is what is for sure. This person is wishing but not taking any action, at least as far as these cards are concerned. Let's see what's happening this side. As I said, over here with the Temperance, we have the Temperance here. So for the Temperance, we have the Three of Swords, the Three of Cups, the Hierophant, the Page of Pentacles, and the Four of Cups. So with the Three of Swords and the Three of Cups, and over there we have the Three of Pentacles, so maybe it was a third party relationship, and maybe that is what this other person has come to know. It can be one of the reason. Otherwise it itself, maybe some other reason has cropped up. It can be that, or if it is not a third party relationship, let's proceed. So with the, we have the Three of Swords and the Three of Cups over here. So what I am feeling here is, it's looking like this person is obviously testing the waters, as I said, or being very cautious. Something is there regarding that. Okay, but here the thing is that this person is hurt a lot. This person, somebody here is very hurt and totally heartbroken, shattered. And here with the Three of Cups and the Hierophant, what I feel here is, it's like as if you had decided that this relationship will go further, you will take it further, or it was a committed relationship, and or it was like you thought of it, you thought it would be a long term stable thing, or even you wanted to marry, you wanted a commitment, whatever it was. But what I feel here is, with the Three of Cups and the Hierophant, what I feel here is somebody is turning their back. That is one thing which I am getting for sure, that somebody is turning their back, and that is the reason for this agony and this heartbreak. And with the Hierophant over here, it's like when you are thinking, okay, this is what I thought, this is going to happen to my relationship, I'll go and marry this person, we stay, it's like forever, it's forever and forever. But then things just don't happen the way you thought, and this is like, it's like all your plans have shattered. It's something like that. It's that is the vibe which I'm getting over here. Okay, and with the Three of Cups, I really don't feel there is any celebration, but yes, it may be a third party. Okay, and that is the cause of the heartbreak, and you're just laughing or crying, whatever it is. It's like you're just looking up at God and thinking, oh my God, what has happened? I never thought this relationship will come up like this. It's something, it's coming up like that. Okay, and here we have the Page of Pentacles and the Four of Cups. Definitely somebody is closing off, holding things close to their chest, not opening up. The Page of Pentacles, but though they hold this relationship close to their heart, that is for sure. But yes, they're not doing anything about it. But with the Four of Cups, this person is really very upset. This person is really very focused on the past. So this person is not interested in what's going on now in their life. Somebody is very depressed over here. So for the Chariot, we have the Six of Cups, the Nine of Pentacles, the Eight of Pentacles, the Page of Wands, the Four of Swords, the Queen of Swords, the Queen of Wands, and the World. Okay, so first of all, with the Six of Cups, I think that is what both of you are really wishing, because with the Three of Cups, it also talks about reunion. So this person is also waiting for the other person to come in, and this person also wishes a reunion. Okay, so it talks about reunions also. So you are remembering those fond times, because somebody has left, as I said, turned their back, and you really wish them to come back, and you also wish a reunion. Okay, you want them back. Here also this person also wants you back. Okay, and here what we have is, with the Six of Cups, probably you are coming back together, and because we have the Chariot as the major card over here, so definitely things will get rolling. But with the Six of Cups, yes, reconciliation is there. But what I feel here is, with the Nine of Pentacles, the Eight of Pentacles, the Page of Wands, but what I am getting here is, it will take some time. It will take some time, or it has already taken that time. It may be that also. With the Nine of Pentacles and the Eight of Pentacles, what I feel here is, both of you are spending time alone. Both of you are sort of focused on other things. Maybe you have each other on your mind, but what I feel here is, with the Nine of Pentacles, both of you are trying to heal. That's what I'm saying basically. Both of you are trying to heal in your own way. Somebody is trying to keep themselves busy with the work, because maybe that works for them. And here with the Nine of Pentacles, somebody is focusing on the nature, trying to have a small break, a vacation, whatever it is, and that is how they think is the coping mechanism for them, and it will work for them. Okay, so what I feel here is that both of you are definitely working on yourself. That's what I'm saying, so that you are able to get over the whatever has happened. And here with the Page of Wands and the Four of Swords, One more thing which I am getting is that maybe both of you are in a situation that you know that this person is spending time alone. Maybe you're not that far also. Maybe you can even observe each other, or you know as to what's going on in the other person's life. At least you are connected that much, or you have some source of maybe so common friends, or somebody who can give the news about both of you. It can be that for some of you, but yes, here we have the Page of Wands and the Four of Swords. So over here what I feel is that this person, you know that you've lost the grip on the situation, you know that things are not the same, and you know that it will take some time. Okay, and here both of you are working on your own self, trying to divert your mind, trying to take back control and try to heal yourself, basically here with the Four of Swords. Okay, so both of you are trying to heal yourself, and here we have the Queen of Swords, the Queen of Wands, and the World. So what I feel here is this is the time you are taking. From the Four of Swords you healed yourself. Okay, and over here with the Queen of Swords and the Queen of Wands, what I feel here is that this is initially, once you've healed, once you have healed, this is, you are a little bit cold, a little bit detached, a little bit cautious. Okay, because you really don't want to mess up again. So this is a little bit of that energy, being cautious and not trying to mess up again. And here with the Queen of Wands, ultimately this is, I think, as you are trying to heal yourself, this is when you're being a little too cautious, and here you become a little more comfortable. Okay, now it's more of a healing. When you attain that more of a healing, you are at peace with yourself. You really don't want to keep people at a distance. You really don't want to feel detached for the fear of getting hurt. So here with the Queen of Swords, you or whosoever, maybe the other person, or even both of you, are being cautious because you don't want to get hurt once again, or neither do you want to hurt the other person. And here with the Queen of Wands and the World, what I feel is that here you are now come in your comfort zone. You are now okay. You've sort of got over the past, and now you are okay, and you are just focused on each other. And with the World over here as the most as the last card of the most likely outcome, I think both of you, here the Chariot is coming into play. It will take some time, but yes, things will be okay, and you will be stepping into a new world, ending this whatever is going on over here and entering into a new phase of your life. So let's see what is the guidance from the universe. Have patience. Number 17 may be of some significance for you. Have patience. Love is patient and kind always. So that is the message for you. Have patience. Things will be okay, Aries. So that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.